So for the longest time, no, I've been trying to record my trips and trying to talk using this camera, using this microphone. Kaso this one, the Hero 11 Mini Black is failing me. Kasi every time na uh, may sinasabi ako or every time na ginagamit ko yung microphone na ito is uh, usually gumagana siya at first and then biglang wala. So lately, I've been using this Shopee Pay method of purchasing something from Shopee, and then pag check ko is malaki na pala yung credit limit ko. So I said, pag may nakita akong isang camera or isang action cam na zero interest is bibilihin ko talaga. And yep, behold, wait, it's this one, the Action 4 DJI Osmo Action 4. Yan. And this one that I am holding is the Hero 11 Mini. I am hoping na pag dumating yung parang ano niya, parang adapter niya is wala tayong magiging problema sa audio para ma-start na natin ulit yung pinagpaplanuhan natin dati pa. And I found out na this camera, this Action 4 that I am using right now, filming this video, is a very capable camera. And talagang hindi nagkakamali yung mga reviewer. So dahil bago yung camera natin, I wasn't able to set it properly, and then ito yung pinaka first na attempt ko into my motovlogging setup, no? Ayan. So as you can see, let's see, this is the raw image, D-Log M, and then white balance is set to 5,200 or something, 5,300. And then sharpness, hindi ko siya naset. Bakit? Hindi ko nakita agad kung saan yung sharpness. Kaya as you can see, yung mga parang lubak ng daan is nakikita talaga siya. And yung detail, yung mga detail ng puno is talagang makikita niyo siya. Right? And then after realizing that, inedit ko siya sa PC, and grabe, sobrang sharp. So I turned on the D-Log M na option, and then -2 yung sharpness, tapos noise reduction is 1. And this time it is 5:43 PM, no? So makikita nyo parang madilim na sa paligid, right? Let's see, may ilaw. So may ilaw. Nung nilagay ko yung correction, first correction ko is yung Rec 709, D-Log M to Rec 709, enable natin. So ito yung lumabas. And then ang intensity ko is nasa 100, and sharpen ko lang ng 20 para bumalik yung sharpness ng image, and then the vibrance is 15 kasi masyadong mapusyaw or Hindi masyadong halata yung kulay ng ano, no. And then let's enable this layer. Ito yung second correction. Yan. So as you can see, this is a really capable camera. Kapag ka na-set lang natin, may ADV, oh. May ADV si tatay, naka-ADV din. Yan. So siguro moving forward, ito na yung gagamitin ko. And I will try again in the morning kung ano yung kinalabasan ng DC like D-Log M. Okay, see you tomorrow. So as you can see, this is the stock mic or the stock built-in mic, and wala tayong external mic na ginamit, no. And then this is the raw footage of the Action 4 with the D-Log M. This is our fix or our color grade. Kumbaga, I'm not an expert in color grading or color correction, but you can see the difference. So what do you think? So kung ako lang, is this is way better than the GoPro Hero Mini 11, which I had few months back, which is I am still using now, and I am planning to use it as a front camera, or my front view camera. So that is all for now, and I hope this help some of you in deciding on which action camera to buy soon. So that's it, and have a great day.